Good morning, good morning. How are we on this Tuesday morning? It is a very buzzy, exciting morning this morning for demonstrators and customers alike. We have, first of all for customers, we have the retiring list for the holiday season coming out. I've posted links for, I'm just trying to find myself on my page as well. So we've got the retiring list that has come out. I've put PDFs up on the Facebook page, and I will also have that. I can't find myself. Jeepers, how, there we are. Oh, and I have to change that around that way. So I have put the PDF for that up, and we also have a carryover list going up as well, which is a little bit different. So this is why I'm chatting to you today. It's a little bit different. I need to concentrate on one thing at a time. Hey, if you've got comments, just pop in and just say hi so I can see whether my comments are working. Carryover list is exciting because there's little asterisks next to some of the items that are going onto the carryover list, but they're going to end at the end of this month, but some of them will be back in the next holiday catalogue, which is pretty exciting. So if you want them now, grab them now. If not, they'll be coming back later on. Only some of them, not all of them. So jump in and have a look at them. They're on my blog. I'll post them on my blog as well as my Facebook page. So those two. And for demonstrators, we are able to pre-order from the new mini catalogue today. And we've also been able to get the brand new little trimmer that you will be able to get if you join up during celebration. The exciting thing is that you can join during December, and you can add the new little cutter, which is sort of similar to my little blue one, but it's a Stampin' Up one. You can add that to your starter kit and get it now, or you can wait till next month and get it for free in your joining kit as well. So there you go. I'm waffling a bit. We're not going to make a complete card today. I just want to try something, and I figured that I might as well try it with you. I don't know whether comments are working. I can't see any. So if you are happening to be watching, can you just drop in and say hello and see if they are working? Because I sort of feel a little bit lonely. I'll see if I can jump in that way. Ah, there we go. There's a comment. Hello, hello. That's good. I'm glad. I'm glad. Now I need to pick some colors from my blends because I'm going to do a blends technique, and I haven't done this before, and I was flicking through Pinterest last night and they just had a picture of blends with a die on top, and I was like, ooh, that's what I can try. So I'm not going to make the whole card because I haven't got the card in my head, but I have got the idea in my head. The only time the new mini cutter will be available is if you are a demonstrator. So they will not be a catalogue item. This will be the only chance that you can get them. So either by joining now or during celebration is pretty much the only time that you'll be able to get your hands on one of those new mini cutters. So this one here is about 1 centimetre longer than what the Stampin' Up one will be. I think the Stampin' Up, this one goes to 12 centimetres, the Stampin' Up one goes to 11 centimetres, but it's very, very similar. I do have a graphic with a small picture of it that I'll start putting up on my blog as well. But yeah, that new mini cutter is only available to demonstrators at this particular time. It's very unlikely that customers will be able to purchase it later on. So it depends on how bad you want it. Being a demo isn't that bad either. You get lots of bonuses and rewards and stuff. So lots of exciting things. Okay, so I need to pick some colours out of my blends, and then we'll turn around. I'm thinking I might do some pinks and yellows or oranges. So let me, actually I might use the Rococo Rose, and I'm thinking I might use, I wonder how, what's this colour? Mango. Do you reckon they go together? We'll see. They might blend into a nice colour. Okay, let's swing around and get started on our card. I'm going to put my finger over the little camera here so I can swing you around and that, and bring that closer. And right, okay. Hopefully we are all good. Now I'm going to be using, I want a nice filigree type of die, so I'm going to use this. So I reckon I can probably get a couple of bits out of there. So if I do a piece like that, I should be right. So as long as I'm colouring in an area that's bigger than my die. Whoops. I hope I haven't seized up again. I've seized up on my iPad. I'm going to keep going anyway because it's probably just on my iPad. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to do stripes, and I'm going to start with my dark. Oops, I think I've definitely. Am I back? I'm going to keep going because I know the replay will probably be okay. Is that going to be enough? Probably need to come out a little bit wider. Okay, so dark, light. Mind you, I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just going to click out and see if I can get back in. Okay, today might be a bit of a nightmare. So I'm just going to go over these with my blends, and I'm going to go to the dark mango. Yeah, I think I'm definitely having issues, but we'll keep going. So I'm just going to lay some stripes down in a pattern. Now, don't think it matters too much about blending issues. Oh man, I'm definitely having digital technology issues today. Dark again. So I'm not going to worry too much if they don't blend. And the light. I have no idea what I'm going to make, but I do know you could do your stripes thick or thin too, by the way. I do know that I need to replenish my stack of birthday cards now, so I will probably end up doing a birthday card with this one. But you'll have to come back and see what I make with my card. So just laying, you could do however many colours you want. I've got room for, yeah, need a little bit more. So this is either going to be very dreadful. Oh no, I've still got people watching. I don't know, something's going on. I'll just keep yakking to myself. Okay, so I've got all my colours down. And then it's going to be a very quick video too, and because it's a busy day today, that's why I'm not going to make the whole entire card here. But so I'm just going to lay that in and pop that on top, and let's see what we get out of it. This is exciting because every time you do something like this, it's going to turn out completely different, which is pretty cool. I like it when things like that happen. Oh no, I'm still working. Okay, now my comments are coming up again. It's a mixed up kind of day. Okay, did I get all the bits? I think I got them. Or maybe I'll just run that through one more time. Come back. I hate it when they don't cut through properly and you don't realise that you've missed bits until got all this stuff going on underneath me and it's all slipping. I hate it when you cut things out and there's a little bit there that you missed and you think, oh man, I wish I'd run it through one more time. Okay, let's see how this is going to turn out. Oh, do you know what? In the new mini catalogue, you know how I was saying was it last week, I think it was, how I love reverse things. I'll show you what I mean. How I love the bold so that you don't have to emboss. There is a stamp set in there that's got a whole heap of different greetings in that style that I love. What am I looking for? Oh, I'm looking for my poker. Take away my spatula, put my pokey out. So I'm super excited to get that one. I ordered that one this morning. All right, have to be genteel with this one. This one's a nasty one to get out. But when you do this type of thing, you sort of want it to be a bit of a filigree looking, you know, fairly detailed lacy. Or leaves, you could do variations of green and then have cut out leaves. Oh man, you're going to be here forever watching me do this. Hello Deb from Gawler, in Gawler today. Oh, I tell you what, you'd be feeling the temperature difference coming from Brisbane down to Gawler. Hello from the US, that's exciting. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. I'm going to bring that in so I can put it on here. Oh man, gee, you wouldn't want to mass produce this die, would you? Oh. I cannot get along with the brush attachment. Nothing happens for me. Looky there, how pretty is that? I'm just going to poke all these bits out, but how pretty is that? Because I find that when you use the blends also, after a little while, once the colour has all settled into the card, whatever you haven't blended properly seems to settle into each other and sort of blends naturally. Look how pretty that is. I am going to have super fun trying to come up with a card. I'm not going to make a card today, I'm just doing that to show you. Have a look. Pretty, pretty. So that is then, I think it's going to be a white card so that that stands out a fair bit. So you will have to come back later. I will work on this at some stage, hopefully this afternoon maybe. I can sit down and have a little bit of I'm going out to lunch with my Lincoln Learn ladies, so that's why I've got lots of busy things to do today. But that's a cool little technique that I wanted to show you. So I'm thinking, like, even if you did shades of green and there's so many gorgeous dyes. Like I was even thinking like if you had that one, I don't have that one, but if you had that one would be really cool. And the tropical one with all the leaves and stuff, I reckon that would be really cool too. So anything that's got a lot of detail in it, I think would be perfect for this kind of technique. So there you go. Yes, I can imagine you're freezing. That's why I'm rugged up in, you know, layers of jumpers and stuff as well. It's dreadful. It's almost time to put the heater back on. Weather down here, it's terrible. But depending on how long you're here for, apparently on Monday it's going to be in the 30s again. High 30s, nearly 40s. So how's that for you? Okay, I'm going to love you and leave you. I've got lots and lots to do today. I'm sorry if I wasn't in screen. It's a bit hard because I'm all frozen up on my iPad and I couldn't see what I was doing. But we will catch you again later. Check back in hopefully soon and I will have a card made out of this. So see ya. Bye.